What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the YouTube channel. We got the Flex trimmers from Stylecraft. I'm gonna give you guys my first impressions and pretty much what I think about them. All right, guys, so let's dive right into it. These are the Flex by Stylecraft. These are the most recent trimmers to come out by them. So let's start off with the battery. It has a 3-hour runtime. I feel like what's normal for trimmers now is at least a 2-hour runtime, so I think it's pretty dope that these have 3. That means less having to put it back on its dock. 7,500 strokes per minute. It's a little bit more than the FX3. For those of you who don't know, the FX3 have 7,200. To get a little better of an idea, this is 7,500 and the Instinct trimmers have 7,800. So those of you who don't really have an idea of what SPMs is, it's basically telling you how strong the clipper is going to handle coarse hair, how it's going to glide through the hair. The better the strokes per minute is, the more easier it's going to glide through the hair. So that's pretty much all the specs on this trimmer, guys. I feel like this trimmer doesn't really weigh a lot. I feel like what you could compare it to is maybe some detailers, or like if you had previous Stylecraft trimmers beforehand, you could compare it to the Stylecraft or Gamma Evos. Pretty similar in weight. Pretty much standard, guys. If you guys have owned Stylecraft clippers, trimmers before, you guys get, the 3 bodies on them. You guys get the micro USB charger with it as well, which is right here. Is it? Yeah, it's right there. So meaning if you're on the go, you're going to be able to charge your phone if you have an Android, and you're going to get to charge these bad boys as well. It obviously comes with its signature 3 lids. It's matte black, it's pink, and it's blue. So it pretty much caters to pretty much a good variety of us. It comes with its dock, its charging dock, obviously, which is pretty cool. I feel like that is the new norm as well. If you're paying the premium price, you should be able to get one of those as well. Shouldn't have to buy it separate. Let me show you guys the insides real quick. So as you open it up, I already took mine out. You guys can see this charging dock would be right there, the pink, the blue, and these are all the possibilities that you guys can do with it and customize it to your liking. Inside it has, obviously, it's manual like any other clipper trimmer does, or shaver. It comes with its standard little guards for the beard. A lot of people do use these. A lot of people don't care about them. Throw them out if you don't need them. Hand them out to a barber in need. It's micro USB charger. Like I said, guys, this is going to be the one where you get to be on the go. You get to charge your Android charger and your trimmer at the same time. Not at the same time, but you know what I mean. Pretty standard as well, how it comes with its screwdriver with the magnet on the top, which helps you guys easily grab the screws, hang on to them. So that's all the stuff it comes with. Now let me show you guys the trimmer. Oh, here it is right here. This is the beauty right here. I guess, I don't know. I'm just fascinated by all the stuff they come out with, all these companies. But let me tell you guys real quick though. I'm gonna start you guys off with the negatives on this trimmer. What I don't like, straight off the bat, just holding this trimmer, it's too slippery. This thing, sure, it has grooves and all that stuff on the side and all that, but I feel like it doesn't help at all with grip on your hand. So for those of you who have butter fingers, you guys might want to slip a grip on it, because this thing is going to fall off your hands and you're going to mess it up. Another thing I did not like about this trimmer was its LED lights are super strong. So if you guys are sensitive to like bright lights or something like that, which I feel like a lot of us shouldn't be, because we're in a barbershop with hella lights on. But let me just show you guys real quick. I feel like this is one thing that kind of did stand out to me. It's super bright. It's not really annoying at all, but when we're using it on our clients, it can maybe, little disclaimer, it might be a little bright for clients. So those are 2 things straight off the bat that I did not like. Let's move on. I think those are like the only things I really did not like about the trimmer. So let's move on to the nice things, the stuff people want to hear when they buy it, okay? Oh yeah, and before I forget, full disclaimer, I didn't get this trimmer sent to me by Stylecraft or anything like that. I bought this with my own money, but you guys already know the deal. If they send me stuff or they don't, or if I buy it with my own money, you guys are getting the full raw details and my honest opinion. You guys already know that. And if you guys don't, well, now you do. It comes with a T wide blade as you guys can see. I feel like that's super awesome because I feel like we're focusing too much on T outliner blades, you know, T outliner style. There's so many different ones. I want something different. So I feel like they kind of broke that curve right there, which is awesome. So we're focusing on different style blades. It's very similar to that of the wall detailer. So if you guys are a fan of the wall detailers, you guys might enjoy this one just for that fact alone, if you guys want to try something different. It has a 360 view, which is pretty awesome because I feel like, I mean, I just tried the Instincts and those things were like, I don't know, they're too bulky. But that's another video, guys. If you guys have any questions about that one, just let me know in the comment section. So it has a cool 360, so you know when you're going around the ears and stuff, it's going to be super easy to see. It's not going to hit the earlobe first or anything like that. The button on it is literally right here in the center, which is great. It's very convenient. You know, just turn it on. You don't have to move to the side or anything like that and look for the button. It's just there. And yes, obviously it has grooves and all that, as you guys can see, but I mean, I feel like that doesn't really help out at all. So like I said, remind you guys again, you guys are going to need a grip. You guys can see where the USB micro plug-in would be at. It's right here. Obviously it's regular one, wall adapter one. So let's talk about the price point, guys. The part that nobody really wants to hear. So this trimmer right here is sitting at $150. I want to know what you guys think about this. I know obviously a lot of stuff is going up in price. Are you guys still, I know obviously you guys are barbers, we love buying stuff, you know, it's like toys to us. So I want to know if you guys think this is worth it for 150. In my opinion, I feel like with all the stuff that it comes with, it can be, but I'm still, you know, I don't know if I'd like to say, like, I'm very selective on what I want to invest in. So sometimes when it comes to a price that high, I always keep in mind, like, do I really want to spend 150 on this? Like, how many haircuts is that? And I mean, obviously a lot of us got bills to pay regardless. So I mean, I would have been like, hell yeah, let's do it if it was more of like 130, around 130, not cheap. I'm just saying, you know, a lot of us got bills and stuff. That's a lot of haircuts to do in the shop just to buy one of these bad boys, you know. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section, if it's justifiable, the price, if it's, you know, if it's good for you, or if you would like to see, you know, a little bit at a cheaper price.
Well, you also said that it kind of like reminded you of like the Hitter and like the Evos, and those were kind of around that price point, like holiday price, no?
Yeah, I mean, like I told you guys, like when it comes to the quality, obviously it doesn't feel like the best. It feels, you know, like when you feel a magic clip, it feels very plasticky and very light, which can be good. You know, obviously you go with plastic, you're going to get more of a lightweight feel, but obviously more premium price would be like an all metal body, like those with the skeleton and stuff like that. But like I said, whatever feels best for you in your economical and in your hands, I guess. Leave that up to you guys. You guys let me know in the comment section. What do you guys think? And like I said, guys, its weight is like, you know, those of the Evo trimmer, for those of you who have bought those in the past, it doesn't weigh a lot. So I feel like the weight is perfect on it. Not too heavy, not too bulky. Look at its slim, nice little body. It's a little bit thicker than the Slimlines, but it's still good to go.
Were you like, not necessarily like excited, but did you really, aside from reviewing it, would you have picked up the trimmer just because?
Just based off the looks. I mean, was I excited when these came out? To be honest, not really. At the pace companies are coming out with trimmers and clippers and all that stuff, man. God damn, it's hard to catch up, to be honest. It's like you barely start getting used to one of the trimmers or clippers and then a whole different thing comes out. Although I am excited to try out those instinct clippers. Now that one did catch my eye. That thing's small, and like I said, that's another video, we'll talk about it. But was I excited for these when they came out? No, because the instinct trimmers had just come out. Like, I was still trying to catch up on that one. So, but like I said, I'll talk about the instinct trimmers. If you guys have any questions about that, just leave it down below. I have a whole different video for that one. But yeah, I wasn't really excited as much because there's, like I said, too much to catch up on. I mean, it's all kind of very similar stuff, just with different blades sometimes. So it's kind of discouraging at times, but at the same time, you know, you got to try out different stuff sometimes to see what you do like and what you don't like. But very hard when there's too much selection and very little things that kind of separate them. You know what I'm saying? So I'm not sure. That's a tough one, like I said. And I feel like a lot of you barbers are the same way. You know, first impressions on the trimmer, using it for like one day, Did I like it? Yes, I enjoyed the trimmer. It was cutting through hair smoothly. It lined up perfectly after I zero gapped it. And yeah, I could definitely see this trimmer in my setup. I was only using a low pro trimmer at the time with the ultra thin blade, so I was dueling that one out so much, but I was just very hesitant on getting my next trimmer, what it was going to be, what I was going to kind of use it for. So I could definitely see this one in my setup and just messing around with it and seeing what its true potential is, where its place is going to be in my setup. So in these next couple of days, I'm going to be using it more and more. You guys will see videos on it on TikTok, Instagram. Make sure you guys go follow those. I'll put it somewhere here for you guys to go follow. I have a couple of videos on them already. But before you guys leave, if you guys made it this far, you guys are a real one. But my next video, guys, I hope you guys subscribe because you guys are not going to want to miss it. It's going to be comparing these two right here. These two are the latest releases from Stylecraft, and I think we need to do this video because the people, the barbers, need to know. I've been getting a lot of questions about these, not so much about these because the people I feel like are still kind of, you know, catching on, but for these, definitely. So make sure to subscribe, guys. If you guys got any questions about, you know, just these in general, drop them in the comment section and I will address them in the next video. Alright guys, make sure to subscribe. I'm back, baby. Let's get this videos going. I'm feeling the energy. I know a lot of you guys have been messaging me like where the hell I've been, but you know, I had to you know, work on myself, and now, you know, I feel like I'm 100%, so let's go back to the flow, and can't wait to see you guys in the comment section. Let's go.